Hey, I'm Olga Banitas, and in this class I invite you to draw food, reflect on your family recipes and capture them in your art journal. Every Sunday I make pancakes. It's our family tradition. My granny shared her recipe with me, and though I've adapted it over the years, I still follow her advice. No, I won't be teaching you how to make pancakes. Instead, I'll show you creative ways to document your own meaningful recipes in your sketchbook, turning them into visual stories. Because some recipes are more than just instruction for cooking. They hold memories, traditions, and the warmth of special moments. I've prepared 3 different ideas for you to choose from for your class project. They are simple and relaxed because this isn't about creating a perfect piece of art. It's about capturing something personal and meaningful. So any skill level is okay. Welcome to my kitchen in every sense of this word. And let's get started.